In this video, I am going to share the method of dimensions for conversion of magnitude of a quantity from one system of units to another system of units. Suppose Q is a given quantity whose dimensional formula is m raised to power a, l raised to power b, and t raised to power c, where m, l, and t represent the fundamental quantities mass, length, and time. Suppose U1 represents unit of measurement of the quantity in first system of units. So I can write U1 is equal to M1 raised to power A, L1 raised to power B, T1 raised to power C, where M1, L1, and T1 are fundamental quantities in first system of units. In first system of units. Similarly, let us suppose in the second system of units, the unit of measurement of the given quantity is U2. It can be written as M2 raised to power A, L2 raised to power B, T2 raised to power C, where again M2, L2, and T2 represent fundamental quantities in second system of units. Now, if N1 represents the number of times U1 is to be repeated to represent the given quantity, and so we can write the given quantity as N1 U1. After putting the value of U1, I can write N1 multiplied with M1 raised to power A, L1 raised to power B, T1 raised to power C. Similarly, if N2 represents number of times the unit U2 in the second system is to be repeated in second system, then we can write the given quantity as N2 U2, that is N2 multiplied with M2 raised to power A, L2 raised to power B, T2 raised to power C. Comparing the values of quantity Q in two systems of units, we can write N1 multiplied with M1 raised to power A, L1B, T1 raised to power C. It should be equal to N2 M2 raised to power A, L2 raised to power B, T2 raised to power C. Because the quantity is same, so magnitude of quantity in both the units may be different. After simplifying, I can get answer for N2 is equal to N1 M1 over M2 raised to power A, L1 upon L2 raised to power B, T1 over T2 raised to power C. This is the final result that can help us in converting magnitude of a quantity from one system of units to another system. I will explain this formula with the help of an example. For example, let us suppose we are to convert joule into erg. Both are units of work. How to make use of the previously derived formula because the quantity here is work, and the mentioned formula of work is m1 L2 t raised to power minus 2. From this formula I can write values of a is equal to 1, value of b is equal to 2, and value of c is equal to minus 2. Now we are given two systems of units. Let me call first system and second system. From the question it is clear that a joule is unit of work in SI system. So first system is international SI, and the second system is ERG, that is unit of work in CGS system. First of all, we have to define the two systems. In the first system, basic unit of mass is 1 kilogram, basic unit of length is 1 meter in SI, and basic unit of time is 1 second. Similarly, in the second system, let's write basic unit of mass is 1 gram, basic unit of length is 1 centimeter, and basic unit of time is 1 second. The formula for conversion of units we have derived is N2 equal to N1 M1 upon M2 raised to power A, L1 upon L2 raised to power B, T1 upon T2 raised to power C. Let us suppose 1 joule of work is equal to X erg. Means we have to find the value of X. So from this it is clear we are given N1 is equal to 1 in first system and N2 is equal to X, that is to be found. Now we shall put all the values in this above relation and get our required answer. X1 equal to 1, M1 1 kilogram upon 1 gram raised to power 1. Then we have 1 meter upon 1 centimeter raised to power 2. Then we have 1 second divided by 1 second raised to power minus 2. We have to simplify this right hand side, get answer for X. We can write on right hand side 1 kilogram is 10 raised to power 3 gram. In denominator we have 1 gram raised to power 1. 1 meter means 10 raised to power 2 centimeter upon 1 centimeter raised to power 2. Here it is 1 raised to power 1 second upon 1 second raised to power minus 2. After simplifying, this gram and this gram can be cancelled. This centimeter can be cancelled. Second can be cancelled with second. So we are left with 10 raised to power minus 3 multiplied with 10 raised to power 4, and here it is 1 raised to power minus 2. After simplifying, I can write X is equal to 10 raised to power 7. Means 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to power 7 erg. This is how we can convert 1 joule of work into